Good morning, dear students. I hope all are good there. Okay. So, as you know that we have done exercise 9.1 of rational number. Okay. So, let us continue with the exercise 9.2. Okay. So, if any uh, doubts are there in 9.1 exercise, you will write down in comment box. Okay, I have tried my level best to explain all the things in proper way. If still if any doubts are there, then no problem. You will write in comment box, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Right. So here, chapter number 9 is going on of the exercise. Everyone know that is what 9.2. Okay. What is this? Sometimes technology irritates, sometimes help. Okay. Chapter 9. Rational number. Exercise 9.2. So, let us start exercise 9.2. Question number first. First A part. 5 upon 4 plus of minus 11 upon 4. Okay. Before trying to explain this, let me call you the some sign convention rule for addition. Okay. Please keep this in mind. If the two numbers having plus sign and they will be added, so this represent these two plus sign represents the numbers sign, and this is representing the operation which is going on. So the answer will come in plus. If the plus sign is added to with negative sign, so answer will be plus or negative minus. Okay, plus or minus according to which number is bigger, according to which number, which sign, let me erase it, according to which sign number is bigger. Okay, then you will get the clear idea. Okay, so I will explain this thing in questions, so don't worry. And minus and plus, minus, if two numbers having negative sign but they are added, the answer will always come in negative. Okay, and they will be definitely added, and here they will be subtracted in the second part. Here they will be subtracted if the opposite sign are there. Simply in addition, same sign will be added and opposite sign will be subtracted, but this one is the most important part. The sign of the numbers of the bigger. Okay, जिस साइन किसका आएगा, बड़े नंबर्स का. और multiplication concept, this will hold for multiplication and division both. Okay, multiplication and division. So what is that? If the plus number is multiplying with plus number, this shows that operation, answer will be plus. And minus number is multiplying with minus, answer will be again plus. But plus is multiplied with minus, answer will be in minus. There is no rule of which number is bigger or smaller. Right. Okay. So for division, the same thing will be there. So let us start the exercise. Okay. So look, 5 upon 4 This is first part, not A. 5.4. Look, this is plus and this is minus. Plus and minus, and you know that after brackets, sorry, outside the bracket there is little bit you know that multiplication sign, right? So plus and minus multiplication gives you minus. Look at here. Okay, so 11/4. Now, if you know that the DRs will be same, then there is no problem. Go ahead with the usual techniques. Means there is no changement in the numerator. You have to put down a number with their sign. So you will get now here -6/4. Okay, so 5 minus 11, 4 is your actually LCM. So if the DRs will same, so numerator will copy it with their sign. Second part, let me try to solve second part. Okay, second part is 5/3 plus 3/5. So if this type of things will be there, new DRs will not same. Okay, so there is two techniques. Firstly, you will find the LCM. So let us, this is first method. So first method, with first method I am solving this one. Okay, so I will explain two methods. This is first method. So 5/3 plus 3/5. You know that what is how to find the LCM. 15 is the LCM. So if you don't know, no problem. 3/5. So 3 ones are 3, 5 there, and 5 ones are 5. So LCM will be 15. The multiplication of these prime numbers or prime factors, you can say. So now, whatever the LCM you will get, now listen very carefully. The denominators, whatever the denominators, जो भी आपके पास denominators है, उसका क्या करोगे? LCM में डिवाइड करोगे. तो 3 को जब डिवाइड करोगे 15 में तो आएगा 3 5 are 15, 5. जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको 5 में क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई. So 5 5s are 25. Very good. I hope it is okay. And 5 is divided to 15. This will gives you 3. And 3 3 are 9. In this way, you will get 25 plus 9, 34/15. Now this is the answer for this question, for this one. And second method, let me solve also second method. Write down the question. 5/3 plus 3/5. You just make the DRs will same. So multiply this number 5 here, means denominator of first number will multiply to the second number, and the denominator of second number will multiply to the first, divide and multiply both to the first rational number. So 3/5 is multiplied with 3/3. Okay, so 5 5s are 25 and 5 are 15 plus 3 3 are 9, 5 are 15. Now you know that if the DRs will same, so numerator will as it is copied and with their sign. So 25 plus 9, that will give you 35/15. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. And both the method you have seen that answer will coming equal, means same, you can say. So this is first and second part. Now third part. Just give me a minute. Okay, third part, that is -9/10 plus 22/15. Okay, so as you know that we have to make the DRs will same, right? So what you will do, 15 you can multiply with here, or 10 will multiply here, or you will take the LCM. So if you will take the LCM of 10 and 15, you will get 10 and 15 LCM what? 2 with divided to 10 gives you 5 and 15, because 2 is not 2 stable is not going on 15, so 5 3 5 and 3, no 5 3 5s are 15, again 5 1 comma 1, so 5 are 15 is for 30, LCM will be 30. Okay, now 10 is divided to 30 gives you 3 into 9, that will gives you 27, and minus sign is there, then minus sign. Okay, now 15 is divided to this third LCM, gives you 15s to our 30 means 2 into multiply by 22 gives you 44. Now 44 will subtract to 27 because they're having the opposite sign, as you know that minus or plus, they will be subtracted, but the sign will be of a bigger number, right? So bigger number is 44, the answer is coming plus definitely, but they will be subtracted, gives you 17 upon 30, right? Okay, so this will be the answer for the third question. Now fourth part, minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. It's very easy. Minus simply cancel out. Now listen to me. If the both the numerator and denominator having the negative sign, they will immediately cancel out. Now question will coming 3 upon 11, 5 upon 9. So now make the DRs will same, 3 upon 11 into 9 upon 9. This number will multiply here and divide, and 11 is multiplied by and divide by 5.9. So 5.9 will multiply and divide by 11. So now you will get 27 upon 99 plus 55 upon 99, right? Now you know that if the DRs will same, nothing you need to do, you just put down the numbers and operate the numbers, whatever the operations is there. 55, so 27 55 gives you 7 5 12 and 5 to 7 8 82 upon 99. This will be the answer for the second. Next, this fourth part. Fifth part I'm talking about, minus 8 upon 19 plus of minus 2 upon 57. Okay, bracket sign is there, not here, just wait, bracket sign on this number. So just no need to worry, minus 8 upon 19, and you know that plus and minus multiplication, plus and minus, this will give you minus sign, right? So minus 2 upon 57. Now we have to make the DRs will same. So always we cannot multiply means DRs of one rational number to the another rational number and divide. Sometimes some techniques will be used. So if the that things we will do at the time of when the both the numbers will not divisible to each other, यानी कि जब हम लोग इसका डिनोमिनेटर्स का मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड फर्स्ट में करते हैं, और इसका 11 का मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड हम लोग सेकंड में करेंगे, ये तब करेंगे जब दोनों नंबर एक दूसरे से डिविजिबल ना हो। ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पर जब डिविजिबल हो तो हम कोशिश करते हैं थोड़ा सा और शॉर्ट करने की। सो एज यू नो दैट 19 3 are 57. okay, so we will multiply and divide in first rational number only by 3 and divide by 3, and you will get the EVM means the part that is minus 24 upon 57. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करते 57 से, that was not an issue, but the calculation part will be high. calculation makes you uncomfortable in this question. If you feel multiply 57 and divide by 57, that was quite typical. Okay, so if these things will be means beneficial, means 11 11 9 9 when that you are multiplied over here, when both the DRs will not divisible to each other. If they are divisible, then at least take the smaller number and read the table and reach over there and counts after how many times you reach over there. So 19 3 are 57, 3 after 3 times you will reach now, so you will multiply by 3 and divide by 3, then you will get the numbers. So 2 upon 57. So now it's very easy. SL means DRs will same, so you have to do, don't worry about that. If the DRs will same, you just operate the numerator part. So minus 26 upon 57. Okay, so these are the answers, and the sixth part of this first question will be very easy, that is minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. There is no difference, minus 2 upon 3 will be the answer. And the seventh part will gives you minus 2 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 whole 3 upon 5. So it will simplify, that is 2 3 are 6 1 7 7 upon 3 with their negative sign plus 5 4 are 20 23 upon 5. Now look, 5 and 3 are not divisible by each other, so you will multiply, you will use this concept. 3 is multiply and divide with second one, and 5 is multiply with first one, means first rational number you are simply I'm talking about, because it will help us. Otherwise, LCM techniques will also be used. That's why I told two methods. Any method you will follow. I'm not forcing to follow this method only. That's why I discussed both the methods. Now, 7 5s are 35 and 5s are 15 plus sign. 23 3 are 69 and 5s are 15. Now you know that L means DR will same. So you have to copy the numerator part with their sign. So if you will simplify, you will get 34 upon 15, right? Why the plus sign? Because of 69. 69 having plus sign. In this way, question number first is completed. Moving on to the next question, question number second. Question number second. Okay. Question number second, first part. 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Now let us, because here if we are going to multiply 24 here, that is okay, no problem, but calculation part will be tough. So now we need to find LCM of both the numbers. Okay, so actually this is not a rough. Please keep in your mind, this is your fair work. So divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 2 are 4, and 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. अगेन 2 से डिवाइड करोगे आपका आएगा 6 और यहाँ पर आएगा 9. फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करोगे आएगा 3, यहाँ पर 9. 3 से डिवाइड करोगे 1,3. फिर अगेन 3 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपका आ जाएगा सिंपली 1,1. Then the LCM will be 3 3 are 9, 9s 2 are 18, 18s 2 are 36, 2 are 72. So LCM will be simply 72. Okay, so 72 will be here. Now 24 is divided to this number will gives you 3, and 3 is multiplied with 7, that will be gives you 21 minus, देखो 24 का डिवाइड करोगे 72 में आंसर कितना आएगा आपका 3. 24 is divided to 72, 24 3 are 72, आपका आंसर कितना आएगा 3. तो जो आंसर आता है उसको क्या करते हैं, न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई. तो 7 से 21. ओके, अब 36 का डिवाइड करोगे 72 में तो 2 बार जाएगा. कितनी बार जाएगा? 2 बार. 0 आ जाएगा. तो 2 आंसर आएगा. 2 into 17 करोगे 34. ठीक है. So that was, this is your rough work with division. Okay, so now you will get that is minus 13 upon 72. This will be your answer. Okay, now similarly for second part, 5 upon 63 minus of minus 6 upon 21, minus 6 upon 21. Let me write properly. Minus 6 upon 21. Okay. So 5 upon 63 as it is copied. Now look, this is minus and minus will multiply because of outside bracket, the multiplication sign will be invisible. So minus minus multiply gives you plus sign, right? So plus sign 6 upon 21. Now it is very easy to solve this question because you know that 21 is divided to 63 gives you 3 times. So we have to make the dr part will be equal. So 6 upon 21 into 3 upon 3. So 5 upon 63. You will try to solve with any of the methods. I'm not forcing to anyone. You will solve this method only. So look, 6 3 are 18, 21 3 are 63 now. This is very easy. 5 plus 18. So you will get 23 upon 63. Because you know that if the denominators are same, then there is no problem in the questions. So answer will be 23 upon 63. Third part. Minus 6 upon 13 and minus sign of 7 upon 15, right? So minus 6 upon 13 will remain same. This minus minus becomes plus sign 7 upon 15. Okay. Now to make the denominators will same, they are not divisible to each other. So multiply 15 over here, 15 over here plus 7 upon 15 and 13 is multiplied by and divide by here. So you will get 15 6 are 90 minus 90 and 15 13s are that will be 150 and 345. That is 195 and 13 sevens are 91 upon 195. So 13 15s are 195. Now you know that since the denominators will be same, then there is no problem. Minus 90 plus 91, it's more easy. 91 is subtracted means both are opposite sign, they will be subtracted. So 91 में 90 चला जाएगा तो 1 ही तो बचेगा आपका. So 1 upon 195 is the answer. Okay. Minus 3 upon 8. 7 upon 11. So same process because they are not equal to each other. So 11 is multiplied here and divide. Minus 7 is multiplied by 7 upon 11 is multiplied by 8 upon 8. So 11 3 are 33 upon 88 minus 8 7s are 56 upon 88. So 88 will be in the denominator, minus 33 minus 56. So 6 3 are 9, 6 और 3 9 हुआ, 5 3 8 हुआ, 89 minus 89 upon 88. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, first, second, third, fourth part will simplify here. Moving to the last part of this question. Okay, fifth part. That is minus 2 whole 1 upon 9 and minus 6. Right. So you will simplify this one firstly, and you know that upon if there is no number in the given decimal number, then you can take 1. 9 square 18, 119 upon 9 and minus 6 upon 1. So you will simply multiply by 9 over here and you will get LCM, means DR will same. So minus 19 upon 9 minus 9 6 are 54 upon 9. So minus 19 minus 54 gives you, that will gives you 73 upon 9 with their negative sign, right? And you will, if you will not write in mixed rational number or mixed numbers, then you will go ahead. Otherwise, this one is the answer. Okay, so 9 8s are 72, 1 upon 9. This one will be the answer in mixed up. This will be also answer. This will be also answer. Both are answers. Okay, don't worry about. Now question number first, second is completed. Okay, means in first question we are going to add, in second question we are going to subtract. Now in upcoming question 3 and 4 we will multiply and divide. So we will discuss 3 and 4, third and fourth question in next video. Okay, so from here, bye bye, see you in the next class. Okay, if any doubts are there, please write in. So here, see you tomorrow. Okay.